In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google AdSense account permanently. Whether you're looking to tidy up your accounts or you simply no longer need to use AdSense, this guide will walk you through the process in an easy step-by-step manner. Before we start, it's essential to note that closing your AdSense account is a permanent action. Once closed, the account and associated data are gone forever. So ensure that any critical information or earnings that need to be addressed are settled before proceeding. To kick things off, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Google AdSense homepage. Open your preferred web browser and ensure you're logged into the Google account that you wish to remove from the AdSense platform. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to your AdSense dashboard. It's here where you'll find all the tools and options at your disposal. The next step is to navigate to the settings. Settings is where you will find crucial information regarding your account management. Look towards the left-hand menu. You should see the settings option listed there. A simple click will lead you to a new page where more detailed settings options are available. Once you're in the settings menu, look for something labeled account information. This menu item is where your account's primary information is housed, and it's essential for managing various elements of your Google AdSense experience. Click through and you'll be presented with information specific to your account. Now we get to the critical part. Here you'll find the option to close account. Clicking on this will initiate the process. It's a significant step, so ensure that you're ready to proceed. After you've clicked on close account, Google will redirect you to another page where you will need to go through some verification steps to confirm your choice. On this next page, Google provides an overview. It's a way to double-check any remaining balances or issues. Carefully review this page to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. Make sure any pending revenue or credits are accounted for, since once you close the account, your access to AdSense is permanently terminated and cannot be reversed. Once you've verified everything, you can finalize the process by choosing Close My Account. This action is definitive, so again, make sure you are absolutely certain about the closure. With a click of this button, your AdSense account will be permanently closed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Google AdSense account permanently. Remember, this process is irreversible, so it's crucial to double check before you proceed. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for more support. Thank you for following along and have a wonderful day.